Welcome back to our Catio, everyone. It's been a while since we've been in here and we've shown you around. And if you are new to the channel, we are starting up a bit of a homestead and we have two beautiful cats, Zoom and Blue. This is their Catio, and I thought today, while I do a bit of a reset and clean, I would answer some of the questions that a few people have been having. So one of the first major concerns people had were the fact that I used a staple gun to put the fake grass and the carpeting on all the wooden bits in the Catio. Now I just want to put everyone's minds at ease and let you know that Sven works from home, so he comes in and checks on the cats throughout the day, see where they are, give them a bit of a scratch and a love and some attention. So we are 100% confident that they are absolutely fine throughout the day. Okay, so I have pretty much stripped everything out of here that I could, and it is pretty gross. So it's a really good thing that we are doing this today. It is a nice warm day out, so if I do need to spray in here, at least that should dry really quickly. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to start with blowing all the dirt and sand and bits and pieces and just see exactly how much of a scrub or pressure hose I need to actually do. I'm gonna get going because it's very hot in here. The other thing that people were a bit concerned about was the fake grass getting very hot. Now, our boys like to lie on the concrete when it does get a bit hot in here. They do also have a big shaded area in the Catio that they can cool off in, and then of course the house. So this Catio is just an extension for them because they are purely indoor cats, and that really comes down to their own personal safety. We live in a bit of a farming community, so the last thing we want is our cats being trapped or severely injured due to an upset farmer. The other concerns that people had were the fact that the Catio was a bit on the small side. So I thought I would just answer that today. If you haven't seen our cleanup videos, this was already here when we moved in. It was a really awesome surprise. We didn't know we were getting a Catio, and all I've done so far is actually just give it a really good cleanup and refurbished a few bits and pieces. As you can see, we have got our septic tank not even half a meter away from the concrete, so we cannot extend further, and behind the Catio are our two massive 22,000 litre water tanks, so we cannot extend it behind us either. So we really don't at this stage have any wiggle room to extend this Catio. We may look in the future at putting some cat runs so that they could perhaps go higher up and then around the house, but that will require quite a bit of thinking and planning. So I have purposely not gone ahead today and pressure washed because we actually rely solely on tank water and we have not really had much rain, so we're just a bit concerned. So what I'll do again in summer is another big clean out and pressure wash then when we've had quite a bit of rain. So I've just given this a quick blow just to get the excess hair and dust and debris off, but I'm going to throw this in the washing machine and then let it get sun dried just to help kill any of the bacteria and germs that may be breeding in here. So I did actually go ahead and pot up some more cat grass, and I'm just going to clean up the harm a little bit and chop off all the dead bits, and hopefully with our new gardens around us I should be a little better at actually maintaining these. The cats really do enjoy the grass. One extra thing we have done since the previous two videos is we added in a bird bath with a little garden, and that was just because the cats really enjoy getting that stimulation by watching wildlife and bird life. They can in absolute no way harm the birds, but it is just something that they can watch and enjoy. One of the other concerns was that there was just a lot of wood paneling in the catio, and that the cats did not have much in the way of windows and things to look out onto. There is a lot of areas where the cats can actually look out, and the wood paneling, it actually just provides that nice cozy corner and the bit of shade. So as you will see, most of the catio is actually open. If you're new here, Zoom and Blue are two pound rescues, so they were trapped together and they think they are brothers. They most certainly are bonded, so we were very blessed to get two of them at the same time. Right, apart from their bed that is busy drying, that is the catio reset. I hope you enjoyed today's video and that it answered some of the questions that quite a few of you had.